This 5-minute solution will show you how to post on Instagram for just close friends. Follow this easy guide to set up it. Go ahead and launch your Insta application and go to your profile. Tap on this three line and tap on close friends. And here, first of all, we will add peoples in our close friends list. To do that, you can tap on this search box and now search for the account you want to add to your close friend list. And now to go to your close friend list, tap on your list, see all. And here you will get your close friend list. To remove any user from your close friend list, tap on deselect, tap on done. And you can also add someone from suggested list. Just select those contacts you want to add to your close friend list, tap on done. And once you added your friends to your close friend list, now let's post something for only close friends. So tapping on this plus icon at the bottom and selecting a photo, tap on next, tap on next. And once you're in this field, tap on audience. And here you have to select close friends. Tap on OK. And if you want to share these, if you don't want to share these post, and if you want to remove close friends, tap on people, tap on see all. And now you can remove close friends to see the post. Tap on done, tap on done. Now share this post. And this is how we can post on Instagram for just close friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.